This is Eric Brotman, the host of Don't Retire, Graduate, the podcast that teaches you how to advance into retirement rather than retreating. Welcome to Office Hours, and a very special Office Hours. This is the first session now that school's back, and it's September. It's our first session, and I want to ask a question that every teacher asked me every year in school in September, which was how you spent your summer vacation. For lots of us, summer vacation means having our toes in the sand, taking a trip. Even now that the pandemic has wound down somewhat, we are in a position where people are traveling again and doing fun things in the summer. But it's also a good time for summer reading and summer enrichment. And so I know I spend my summers doing retreats with our team and making sure that we're thinking about the year to come and how we want to close the year, and just spending some time getting to know each other when the hustle and bustle of the traditional fall season or tax season or year end aren't upon us. So if you listen to the end of Season 3 of Don't Retire, Graduate, you know that your summer assignment was to enroll in the freshman year course of Don't Retire, Graduate at Retire U. I hope you did. If you did, I'd love to hear from you. Tell us what you learned. Tell us what you gained from participating in that course. Leave us a review. The next course, the sophomore year, is coming. But for right now, we're just putting out the freshman course to see how people like it. I hope you did. And at the same time, if you haven't gone to bfguniversity.com, check out the Don't Retire, Graduate freshman year course. It's 8 courses on cash management, debt management, risk and insurance, employee benefits, and financial planning. And it's a great foundation to start your financial freedom journey. In addition, we have another course there that is a financial literacy course. It's designed for students. They could be middle or high school students, college students, even young adults, or just folks who want a refresher course. It is 8 courses. It is free, and it's available at bfguniversity.com. So while you did your summer reading, I also did my summer reading. And this summer, I spent time making sure that we were ready for an amazing new season of Don't Retire, Graduate. We will have guests every other week, as we have for the past 3 years, and we're going to continue to do office hours. And what I'd ask of you is 2 things as a listener. 1, leave us reviews or send questions or join our Facebook group, because ultimately I want to make sure that I'm speaking to you directly and that I'm answering the questions that are on your mind about how to graduate into retirement or personal finance in general. And the second thing is, don't keep us a secret. Let folks know how to find us, because we're trying to spread the word that financial planning is for everyone. It is not only for the super rich, and financial literacy is something most of us lack. We don't learn it in school. And so what an amazing opportunity. Your kids are back to school right now. If you're a student, you're back in school right now. And if you're a parent or a grandparent or simply not a parent yet, you have an opportunity now to go back to school. The time is now. Learn more about personal finance, learn more about financial literacy, and undoubtedly, you'll have a better idea, a better grasp on the concepts that will help you be successful financially, whether you use a financial advisor or whether you do it yourself or whether you have a combination of folks helping you out. So with that, I hope you had a great summer. I'm glad to be back. I'm excited to be back with everyone. And if you have a question you'd like us to answer, please post it on our Facebook page or tweet us at Brotman Planning. Thanks for listening to Office Hours. Don't Retire, Graduate is a book available in print, Kindle, and audio formats, and it's a workbook with all the steps you need to build your own financial freedom plan. Think of it as one extra credit assignment after another. It's not graded homework. It's all the steps you need to reach financial freedom. You can also go to brotmanmedia.com and learn more about our online resources and courses, and you can buy a book and leave us a review on Amazon. Be sure to tune in for new content here every Thursday. For now, this is your host, Eric Brotman, reminding you, don't retire, graduate.
Securities offered through Kestra Investment Services, LLC. Kestra IS. Member FINRA SIPC. Investment advisory services offered through Kestra Advisory Services, LLC. Kestra AS. An affiliate of Kestra IS. Kestra IS or Kestra AS are not affiliated with Brotman Financial or any other entity discussed.